It's Asphalt Paving and Maintenance. We're working outside of Burnett. Family farm. It's been in the family for over 100 years. 140 years actually. Doing some more 1.5 inch washed granite used for the top coat onto the chip and seal. Beautiful oak trees. Actually a brand new house. They took a picture out of the Better Homes and Garden and took it to their architect so they can have a turn of a century style house. We put the road base in probably 5 months ago while they was building so they can pack it in and run the heavy trucks over the top of it. So now we're back 6 months later to chip and seal it. We had to dig all ditches 6 months ago to allow for drainage. Up around the house, we made some changes into the parking. That's why we're re-rolling and recompacting. Never have too much parking. They've really extended this area out here to make for more parking. And there you have it. We'll upload another video when we get her done.